Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 2-hour Morrison's block paying £40, and I've also scheduled another one for after that, another 2-hour block paying £40. It's a Sunday morning, the weather's a bit overcast, it's a little bit chilly, but there's not too much traffic on the roads. Let's see how we go. See you after I've loaded it up. We've got a 4, a 7, 11, another 7, and a 5. So 34 bags. We've got a 4, a 7, a 5, which is age verified, another 7 and an 11. And not too far away, so we should get it done quite quick. Let's go. So they're digging up the road here for a new Costco. So hopefully when that's open we'll be able to get cheap petrol. I guess they're putting in an extra lane so the queues for the petrol don't block up the main road too much. Four bags for you.
Thank you very much.
Here we go. All done.
Thank you.
Have a nice afternoon.
Thank you, mate.
Ba, ba, ba. Hello. Oh no, that's fine. I've already scanned them. They do it all with these little codes on the bags. It's quite clever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, I'll put that in for you because it's heavy. There we go. Have a nice afternoon. Hello. Oh, not bad. You all right?
Not so nice today, is it?
Well, at least it's not raining.
At least it's not. Oh God, that's it.
Okay.
Oh my God.
They like to lay them up sometimes, don't they? There we go. I need to check the year you were born.
Yes, 63.
Super, all done. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, got your Morrison's for you. Got 3 more bags to get you. There we go, all done for you. Thank you, have a nice afternoon. So that's 4 of the 5 stops done in an hour. And this last one's 11 miles away, 21 minutes. So I'm going to use petrol for this one. But I should be finishing about half an hour early. Let's go. Hello. Oops. That's all right again. Yeah, be careful with that. They've got so many milk in there. There we go, all done for you. Thanks, have a nice afternoon. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block completed in 1 hour 20 minutes. We'll call it an hour and a half, £26 an hour, which isn't too bad. Weather stayed okay. 25 minutes back to the shop where my next block starts, but I'm going to be there about an hour early, so I will get some lunch. Chicken go in here. This is a 12, a 10, a 4, a 4 and a 3. So this block, we've got 5 stops. We've got a 3, a 4, a 12, a 10 and a 4. And as usual, I'm off to the Forest of Dean on the Sunday afternoon. The sun's come out. It's a bit sunnier than it was this morning, so it should be a nice drive. Let's see how it goes. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. Cheers. Have a nice afternoon. Next one is half a mile away, 2 minutes. We do that in electric. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. There's an Amazon parcel there as well.
Thank you.
I've got 12 bags, so I'm going to get the rest. There we go.
Thank you.
Here we go. All done for you. Those stairs keep you fit, don't they?
Yeah.
Have a nice afternoon. Cheers. Hello there, got your Morrisons for you. How are you doing?
Not too bad, you?
Yeah, not bad. It's nice and sunny. I need to take your year of birth. 66. Cool. Super. I'll go get the rest for you. Your cat stuck its nose out.
Back in, I don't know what he always did.
Here we go, all done for you.
Cheers, my man.
Cheers. Have a nice afternoon.
Cheers, mate.
Bye. Why does it send me all the way down here? Ivy. Where's this one gone? It's because the signal's bad, isn't it? No, it does. The Amazon app does weird things when there's not a good signal.
Lovely, thank you. Yes, it always takes everybody up to the wrong end of the track to get to us. It's kind of, if you're coming from that end, you're fine. I don't like it because
Yeah, because it says up, and I thought this is down, not up. And then there's a bollard in the way as well.
Exactly. So yes.
Okay, that one's heavy.
Cheers. Lovely.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. So that was another 2-hour block, finished in 1 hour 38 minutes. Would have been quicker, apart from having to do that long walk with the 4 bags. I guess we finished a little bit under and a little bit over an hour and a half, so we call this an hour and a half as well. So £40 for the block, done in an hour and a half. That makes it £26 an hour again. So the good thing with Morrison's is the customer chooses a 2-hour time slot, so they're nearly always in, which means you don't have to worry about non-deliveries and hiding parcels and things like that. It can also help you get your standing up quicker than just doing logistics, because with logistics you've always got a chance of someone not getting the parcel and your standing being dropped because of it. Like you've seen today as well, most of the time you have plenty of time to do the deliveries and you finish early. The app still tells you to go back to the store if you finish with more than 29 minutes left on the block, but that seems to disappear after 5 minutes now. It never used to. So as long as they don't assign you anything in those 5 minutes, then you're good to go home. That's it for today. If you enjoyed that ride along video, give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips for more tips and tricks to do with delivering for Amazon Flex. See you next time.